right, obviously you can see I'm not in Sturgis right now. Okay, what I did today, I decided because of the weather and everything to go to do my Devil's Tower ride today. So that's where I'm heading now, and I cut up with in just a little bit of rain. Decided to stop here and let it kind of wait it out a little bit. And it seems like it has let up now, so I'm going to get on the bike and head on towards Devil's Tower again. Even the sun's kind of coming out now. Okay, I'm going to head to Devil's Tower. Alright, I am at Devil's Tower National Monument now. I just finished eating just a little while ago. I had my picnic lunch I brought with. And the weather's been a bit cooler than it was, and of course it had some rain on the way here. But it seems to have stopped raining now. There's the picnic area right there. I actually ate in the picnic shelter. When I got here, it was still sprinkling. It was a really light rain, so I sat in there and I ate and finished up and everything. So I decided, I already put everything back on the bike. I decided to come over here and do a video clip. There's Devil's Tower through the trees up there. But okay. So anyways, the Devil's Tower today instead of my normal time next week. You know, usually I go either like Wednesday or Monday. I looked at the weather and been riding in such hot weather so often. Upper 90s, even at 100 so much. And today it was only supposed to be in the mid 70s, and I decided it'd be a cooler ride to do today, with it being overcast and everything. But I knew there was a chance for some rain, and it wasn't bad. But anyways, I was, and I did not bring the GoPros. I did not, because when it's overcast, they don't seem to really do well, I don't think. Because their contrast just doesn't work as well when it's like a sunny blue sky day, a bright day. But anyways, I'm going to hop on the bike and go up and take a closer look at Devil's Tower, and then head back towards Sturgis. So, all right, let's go take a look at Devil's Tower. Really amazing the amount of work that they've done the last few years here. Man, a lot of improvements. A small model and a larger one. There's a summit area. Looks to be clearing up. There's Devil's Tower. I'm right at the base. Not going to take the time and walk around it this year. Just going to take a look at it from here and head on out. There we go. There's Devil's Tower right over my shoulder. Yeah, it's Boulder Field, something else.